Hey guys, here's an Indian sandstone paving that we restored last week. We cleaned it last week using a rotary surface cleaner and also applying a chemical to remove all the stubborn black stains and green algae staining. Customer was so impressed with the results that she wanted to preserve them, so we've come back and we're using a natural stone sealer color enhancing product which has been sprayed on. As you can see, that's the first coat that's been applied. We're also going over it later on with a second coat, and what this does is basically it provides a protective coating on top of the Indian sandstone, which is oil and water resistant. It also enhances the colour and makes the paving look better, and it keeps the paving cleaner for longer. So we're using a Smart Seal product. It's a natural stone sealer